Rise and shine, it's island hopping day. We're leaving Koh Lanta behind for a full day exploring 4 stunning islands just off Thailand's coast, and we can't wait to take you with us.
Our adventure starts first thing in the morning with a beach pickup by a Longtail boat, and soon we're cruising through peaceful mangroves. Look closely, you just might spot wild monkeys playing in the trees. This quiet stretch sets the tone for the day: nature, beauty, and discovery.
Our first island stop, Koh Wan, surrounded by crystal clear water and colorful reefs. Time to snorkel. Yet there are jellyfish, adorable but potentially stingy. We do not get in the water at this stop, but request another location and are taken to a nearby spot that is clear of jellyfish. Thank you to our captain for getting us to a new snorkel spot. The snorkeling here is a great experience in warm water.
After that thrill, we make our way to Koh Ngai, a slice of paradise where the pace slows and the scenery stuns. Here we soak up the sun, enjoy some chill time, discover a beach swing, and are treated to a beach picnic Thai lunch.
Next up is something straight out of an adventure movie, the famous Emerald Cave. But access depends on the tide. We are fortunate that the tide is in our favor. We swim through a pitch black tunnel, yes, with flashlights, until we reach a hidden beach inside the island. Trust us, it's magical. Once inside, it is stunning and beautiful, a beautiful place for both fun and memorable photos.
There is one more spot to snorkel as we make our way back to Koh Chueak. The snorkeling here is once again clear and a reminder of the beauty of these islands.
As the sun begins to dip, we head back to Koh Lanta, tired, salty, and grateful. 4 islands, 1 unforgettable day. If you're planning a trip to Thailand, add this tour to your list. And if you want more family-friendly adventures across the globe, be sure to like, subscribe, and join the journey with us. Hi everyone, we're the Frenchitivity Family, Kent, Michelle, and Everly, and we want to say a big heartfelt thank you for all of you who have watched, subscribed, and liked our videos thus far.
If you've been with us from Portugal, maybe you joined in Thailand, or if you're brand new to us right now, we are so thankful that you are part of our journey, and subscribing to our channel helps us continue to create memories and adventures from our trip around the world.
And you won't want to miss what's coming up next.
You know, we might.
We spent 10 days in a motorhome exploring Australia, and it was full of all kinds of moments that you do not want to miss in an upcoming series called Motorhome Memories.
So click the subscribe button or tap the notifications button, or do them both, because we love for you to follow along on this next set of journeys right here with the Frenchitivity family. So thank you so much again for your support, and we look forward to seeing you from somewhere around the world.
Bing!